So far we have such result, and in this lesson I will show you how to close up our wall creation. So we are going to fix all the minor mistakes we have done and also create some openings. But before that, I would like to recommend erasing the plan images we placed. So go to pin bucket and right click to delete them. The reason I'm doing this that we will be able to see reverse faces. So open it and reverse. And of course we should erase these additional lines. Be careful, open components and erase them. Yeah, we have a clean model. And maybe let's start with the foundation. I've made a mistake and I have not offsetted the wall. So I will have to offset the foundation again. So let's open it. Close plane. Use offset tool and type in 15. Push pull tool and extrude it. We now have a foundation like in a real house. Yeah, we should concentrate on openings. And firstly, I will create them on the first floor. It's easy to do. Simple rectangle. Yeah, and you have an opening. I think there will be a bathroom, so we should create a little bit smaller window. And select the boundaries. Use Move tool and Ctrl on the keyboard to copy and create second window. Also, we should create the window in the kitchen. To do that, we should measure 900 millimeters and draw a window. Maybe it's too high, but it's up to you what size of window you would like to see in the interior. And extrude it. One more thing left. We can create a garage opening, but there is a rule for 3D designers. For example, I have created a visualization of this side of the house. I haven't added any details for this side because it's it takes a really long time. So I will concentrate on this side. I will make it. I will create. I will add details, but I'm not going to create the side. Of course, you will be able to use the same methods and create it and render if you want it. So we've done the first floor. Let's lift up to the second. Okay, as I can see, we need a opening in the second floor bathroom here. Yeah, so let's create it, and I think we can do the same window. So go to rectangle, grab corners, and draw it. Now select, and using Move tool and Control, you can copy it, or even move it. So be sure you delete this. I am using always a delete button on the keyboard. Yeah, it's okay. We also need some window openings in the second floor. And as I can remember, these lines are not parallel. Let's check it. Yeah, you can see we have these lines not parallel, and we will have a problem while pushing. I will show you. Yeah, you can see we cannot create an opening. So Control V, Control, and let's draw the windows we would like to see in the interior. Second window down here, and align the lines to the floor. Use your arrow key on your keyboard. It's okay now. Let's click and create a group. Doing the same thing here. Open that and extrude it. Yeah, okay, now we should move them. For example, yeah, this would be okay. And do the same thing with the second window. Extrude it. So maybe select everything and move. Once you've done that, you should close the group. I have lag. Yeah, okay. Close. Select the walls. 3 clicks to select everything. Control on your keyboard and 1 click to the boxes. Now right click on your keyboard and intersect faces the selection. Now we are able to explode the second one and erase the lines we do not need. Yes, and that's okay. Also erase the interior lines. Be careful, do not delete any needed lines. That's okay. And do the same thing with the second window. Of course, you can reverse faces or run faces and it's gonna be okay. Well, it's not okay, so let's Ctrl Z and select these 3 planes and reverse. Of course, do the same thing with the second window. Then next thing is openings for doors. So to do that, I will open first ground floor and create an opening. Let's type in 2000 millimeters, it's 2 meters, standard doors, and 900. Close our rectangle and push pull through. That's okay. Okay, so let's measure 2000 here. As I can remember, these lines are not parallel, so it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be okay. Yeah. Next thing is here. So let's measure 2000 again. 2000. Attach, paste, and extrude. Okay, it's good. In ground floor, let's open second floor. And the problems I see here is the same as in the first floor, ground floor. Sorry about that. So let's type in 2000 and extrude it. So our door is too wide. Let's maybe measure 2000. Oh, sorry, not 2000, but 900. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's gonna be okay. And now extrude not this wall, Ctrl Z, but this one. We have a perfect opening for the doors. Yeah, so we have some not parallel planes, but this line won't be visible in the renders. And we can make The same thing in this room. 2000 and detach the twin. There is a chance I've missed some runs. You can use the same method to create that. Okay, the other problem I see in this floor, so that we need a parapet. So let's extrude by, well actually in reality it should be 300, but I don't think in the veranda is gonna be okay. So maybe I will make it 150. Yeah, it's okay. Well, we can fix this problem by extruding this line and a little bit more. It's gonna be okay now, it's gonna be perfect. Well, I don't think it's, I think it's okay. And let's create a parapet down there. To do that, I will draw additional line and extrude it. And of course, I will extrude it this plane so that we have this facade. It's okay, we only need some openings in this room. To do that, use the method I showed you, 2900 and 2000. If it's not working, and it's not working because I draw such a rectangle, we can move and now click an opening. Yeah, we can create a parapet on this side, but it's not gonna be visible in the render, so it's not necessary. Okay, so we almost done. You should only finish this window. Yeah, and it's okay now. Of course, you can create an opening for a garage if you want. I'm not going to show you because I showed you the method. So see you in the next lesson.